Yo, what up, guys? I am back. I know I've been MIA for a while. Ugh, so much shit has been going on. But your girl is always gonna make it through. I promise you that. You know, like I always say, I bend, but I do not break. Alright. So, you know, nothing let up. You would one day hope. And you know what's so sad? You know what's so fucking sad? You hear that, guys? They're tapping into my shit. I'll show you guys what I mean by that. But yes, every time I get on my phone to make a video, to talk, it'll tell me what's being tapped into, and it's my mic. So they're listening. They're technically, it's like, damn. It's like they know before you guys even know what I'm about to say, but it's whatever, you know. But I hope you guys been doing good. So here's a little bit of more things that I've been going. Now look, it wants to circle around me because it's so. Where you go? Don't hide behind the trees now, you little crusty bitch. Come here. See? Now look. Oh my god, I can't make this shit up, bro. I can't make this shit up. Look. Can't really see, but here's one. Dude, two already passed. Here's two. And that third one is all the way to that little. Let me put my. Get the fuck out of my life, bitches. You fucking cunt. gonna tell me these ain't drones? They're over here doing some weird shit. Watching me, now they're in a triangle formation. Get the fuck out of my life, bitches. You fucking cunt.